landed in Goa today with 180 passengers. The flight is from Kazakhstan, and this is the first flight after the pandemic, the post-pandemic, and everybody are excited, including all the suppliers of Goa, the hotels, the tour operators, all the vendors, everybody excited because of after a 2-year-long gap, the first flight is landed today, and we will be having approximately 4 flights or to 5 flights a week into Goa, from Kazakhstan as well as from Moscow included. And together we would do around approximately 120 flights this particular season. And especially after the post-pandemic, it's a very, very big success with the current situation in Europe and other parts of the world. And I'm sure Goa is going to be rocking the season with on these arrivals as the first, like a new beginning. And I'm sure in the coming years it's going to only enhance and grow multifolds. And Goa is going to be one of the most popular destinations of the world.
Thank you.
But as is the case, Goa is a brand by itself. Goa is the most preferred destination. Goa is famed for various things. And one of the things which has helped to evolve 2 airports, because there is that much of traffic going to come into Goa. Even if you take various studies all over the world, the traffic growth as far as the air mode is concerned is only going to increase. As against that background, as against the pandemic being over, post-pandemic, people prefer to come to Goa. So it has even become a hotter destination for tourists. So I'm very happy that the first charter flight from Kazakhstan has landed, and very soon, from November 3rd, I think Aeroflot is going to get flights from Russia. Thereafter, we are going to have flights from UK as well. The issue as far as e-visas are concerned is being sorted out very shortly. So you will have even more flights coming from elsewhere. So charter flights are going to have become a reality from today. I was very happy to welcome the first passengers because Dabolim being my constituency, I have a special affection for Dabolim naturally. And I can assure one thing, for all those propagandists and ads against Dabolim or spreading propaganda for those spreading that Dabolim will close, it is not the case at all. Dabolim will not only survive, will grow even more stronger.